Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Eid cards. So this is the Eid card which I made and it is a pretty simple card. So as you all know that quarantine chal raha hai and we cannot go out to buy materials. So this is a pretty simple card and you can see that this one close up and you can see that मुझे बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ा, ये घर में easily material available होता है. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a few more cards. So let's start the video. So guys, these are the things which you are going to be needing to make this card. Many other cards, I'm going to show a few more how to make them. So first thing, you're going to be needing some water paints, poster paints. It's completely optional. You can either use these or you can use these. I prefer both of them. You'll need a pencil, and you're gonna need a few papers according to their sizes. Depends on which one you are making. So, and also you're gonna be needing a glue stick, some ribbons, and water paints, a scissor, and some shiny stars. You're needing some of them. Don't worry, we won't need many. And we're gonna be needing some markers if you like. It depends on the material you prefer your card to be. It's completely optional. If you want, you can use the card like this. If you want, you can add poster paints, water paints. It's completely optional. You want, you can add ribbons. You don't want, it's completely fine. Or you can also use color pencils, and if you like, you can use markers. Everything is completely optional. And if you want to make this one, you're going to be needing these stickers because they're really nice and colorful. So first one which I'm going to be showing you how to make is we're going to need a lot of paper. This is the size of this. You can see. You need a paper this much long, and we're going to paint this one. And so one more thing guys, you can see that these materials are easily available in your house and it is completely optional. Everything, like if you want you can use these, if you want you can use these, if you want you can use color pencils. Everything is in your house. And so this one I'm going to be starting. I'm going to paint the base blue. I'm going to be using these poster paints to paint it blue. Then I'm going to be adding a little slight coat with the blue colors. This one, the light blue color. So guys, I'm going to be giving one more tip, that the place where you are painting, place a hard material like a foam sheet. If you're using thin paper as me, the paint can transfer to the other page, and you can keep a thick material like this. I'm using a foam sheet here to protect the base. So guys, I'm using this navy blue color to paint the base. So guys, I am using this, you can see this navy blue color to paint the base coat. It is completely optional. If you want to use water paints, and if you want you can use poster paints. You can either use color pencils, but I prefer poster paint and water paints. It's a little bit mixed because I like the texture for them to be combined. So remember, the foam sheet is really important. It can ruin your card otherwise. So I'm gonna give a tip that both of the lines must be equal, and do not add too much water. These lines must be equal. So here I am taking into the water, putting this a little bit here, the navy blue color, and I'm going to be painting the second coat. You can see I'm painting it very gently. Remember to paint, do not add too much water, it can ruin the card. Like this. If you want, you can do it like this. Otherwise, you can. I'll give a tip not to add very rough strokes because these strokes will look better like this. So I'm adding this. Remember not to add water directly on the card if you're using thin paper as me. I'm not using, I'm not adding very much water. I'm just using this type. These poster paints are by, let me check the brand for you. Pelican. It has really nice poster paints. I like them because they're thick and they have nice coverage. So I use these. Now remember guys, after we're done with the bottom part, left it to dry a little because otherwise it can be too watery and the card can be torn. So you need to wait for a minute or two for it to completely dry. You can see this part is dried and this is not. So I'm gonna be gently brushing it like this. It's gonna help with the evenness. I want my card to be even. I'm going to be gently stroking it like this. Remember, not do it too much and not with a wet brush. With a normal, not actually, you can do it with a slightly wet brush. So I am doing it evenly. So now we're gonna wait for the card to dry. So you can see here that the foam sheet is also helping with the spill, and now we're gonna finally wait for the card to dry. So guys, the card is not completely dried, but it's a little bit. So I'm gonna give a tip that wait till the card is completely dried, otherwise your card can be torn like really badly. So I'm gonna wait a few more moments, and I feel like my pencil, I made it myself, and if you wanna know how I made it, comment down. I'm gonna make a tutorial on it, how to make this type of pencil topper. So if you wanna see it, go and check it out. I'm gonna, inshallah, soon in the future be making a tutorial of this pencil and how to make a few more pencil toppers. You can see. So guys, the first coat have dried out, you can see, very smoothly I guess. So now I'm gonna be dipping the brush in the water, and remember to, out of the corners, brush the excess water and dip it in the paint again a little bit, not too much. You can see I'm not done a little bit. So I'm gonna brush with the next stroke. So you can see I'm very brush lightly. After 5 minutes, it actually, give the card 5 minutes to rest because it's gonna help you soon. So now I'm gonna be adding more paint because I want my card to be like really, really colorful. So I'm gonna be adding more paint. You can see second coat of the side, and I'm gonna be adding the second coat of the side. You see, I'm gently stroking it, not very much. You see. Very nice and gentle. I'm brushing it again a little bit right here. And when it dries, the color turns in ocean blue. So I'm gently stroking it. You see, this step is completely optional. If you wanna do it like this, you can do it. But I wanted my card to be, like really, really even. So I did it. You can see, I think the upper layer looks a little lighter to me, so I'm gonna add a little more paint because this layer looks a little darker, but I think it's fine because when the paint is gonna dry out, it's gonna be even again. So now I'm gonna again dip the brush in the water, and I'm gonna be gently stroking it. And remember, do not use a harsh brush. I have used this brush. This is the company. I'm sorry, the company hasn't written. So use a brush like this. You can see. Do not try to use like a smaller brush because it would be really hard for that brush to cover up this much area. It's gonna take you hours otherwise. So you can see I have done it. The color is evening out a little bit because the card is drying a little bit. So I'm gonna gently stroke it like this again because I want my color to be really, really even. You see. You see. And guys, if this lines bother you a little, what you have to do is just use wait. I'm giving a tip not to use foam on it because it's gonna make the lines even harsher. So what I am going to do is I'm going to be using tissue. I'm going to be like blotting a little bit. I'm going to be pressing a little bit, like with my hand for like 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see. Remember not to do too hardly, so you can see the excess is here and it dries a little more quickly. See, I'm doing it really lightly. Do it for 5 to 10 seconds, I'll say. The card is going to peel off, and you can see there is a nice even color. And this card doesn't mean it's not drying, but still I'm gonna leave it for like 2 minutes. If you're doing these steps, which is completely optional, so if you're doing it, it would dry like a little more quickly. So after 2 minutes, I think you can see that the card is looking a little bit messier now. But don't worry, when it dries out and I complete the hole, it is going to look a lot even. So don't worry about that. The card is going to be really fine. And you see I can brushing gently on it. I'll give a tip that use a not very wet brush. Lightly, I'm lightly doing it. Very lightly. Don't like brush it. Just do it lightly. If you don't want your card to run. Now we're gonna wait till the card dries. If you want, while the card is still wet, you can also add some glitter. Here I have, added a little amount of tiny golden glitter. Remember, not very much, just a lightly coat, so the sky, blue sky, would look a little better. So I've added the golden glitter. You can add anything, silver, golden. So while the card is still wet, remember, when it dries, it is gonna, hold back all the glitter. So now we're gonna wait finally. And if your paint dries while you are like applying the glitter, just add a teensy paint, just a little, like this. Do not add too much, otherwise everything can be teared apart. Just a little, and try not to add more water. Just a little bit, strokes, gently stroke. Okay, so guys, you can see that I finished up the whole card, and after that I added one more coat. You can see it looks really nice, and I added some golden glitter because I wanted to like the night sky. It's really looking really pretty. So now the next thing you need to do, I cut it this silver moon from this wrapping material. You can see it's very easy to find. It must be at your home, So, and I also got some stars and foam sheet and some glitter paper. And what I'm going to do, you can see the card is completely dried, and I added a lot of glitter. You may see, you can see that this looks really pretty. It looks like a tie and dye sky. It has a lot of golden glitter. I prefer that you use golden glitter instead of silver or any other color. You can see how pretty it looks. So I like the card, and now I'm going to be adding. So if you don't have liquid glue, it's fine. You can either use stick glue. I'm going to be using stick glue, and so I have taken out the purple sticker and I will apply it here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying it really like a zigzag like this. So this one will be here. I think I'm applying this one here. And the next one I'm going to be applying is this yellow one. I think it looks really cute. For the yellow one, I'm going to be saying that don't apply it right here. Apply it right here. The yellow would look really nice in the bottom. So I'm going to be applying it on the bottom. You can see it. It looks really nice. It looks cute, I think. And after applying the foam sheet, you can see that they are slightly glue traced. Don't worry, they will dry out. And after the foam sheet, I'm going to press really lightly. Like this. Apply really gently. And so guys, I applied the rest stars in the same way. You can see this is the finished product. It's totally finished, nothing left. You can see I pasted the moon. I've glued the stars and very jumbled up. You can see this is how the finished product looks. It's so shiny and glowy. You can see the golden glitter. I would really prefer that you like use, because you can see it gives nice glow. Just look at it. And this is how the finished product looks. So guys, now I think the finished product looks really nice. I'm gonna rate 9 out of 10 because the glue marks I really like, but don't worry, they're gonna dry out. So yeah. So now this is the finished product. One time again, I'm gonna show you. Close up. So now I'm gonna be moving on to the next card, which we're going to use ribbons. So I have left the card here to dry. So you may see that I have cutted many like options. So for the ribbon one, we're gonna need like a thick one. This is better. I'm gonna be using this. I have cut the edges because I don't really want this one to be a really like thick one. So this is really nice. So the first things we are going to be needing are ribbons, which are also available at home. So you can get any color. I have white, green and gold. So the first thing we are gonna do, according to your cards, measure them and cut them. So now I'm gonna cut them to pieces. So guys, you can see I have done a stripe design. So I'm gonna show you how to like apply the ribbon. I'm gonna like take the ribbon and rub the glue on it like this. I'm gently like, not do it very hard, or otherwise like your ribbon can be torn. No, actually it cannot. Otherwise the glue can be on the surface and like it can be really super messy. If you want, you can also rub it like this from your fingers. That if you don't like that. So you can see ज़्यादा ही लग गई, no problem. ज़्यादा चलेगी, कम नहीं होगा. So lightly I'm gonna apply like this. You can see lightly, very nicely. And when the glue you have like applied it, do it like this, rubbing. And if you want the glue, like the ribbon is not sticking on the glue, just like apply like a coat with glue like this on the ribbon. And don't worry, you don't have to use like liquid glue or white. Stick glue is ideal. You can use it to like glue anything, like literally anything. Foam sheet, glitter sheet, ribbons. So I'm doing it like this. You can see I have done a white and green stripe design. So I'm also going to apply the last ribbon, which is the green one, like this. I'm going to apply it right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply like this. You see, I'm lightly rubbing it against my hand, the ribbon, and which is really nice because this is, I think, the ideal way to do it, because the other ways the surface can get messy. Your hands are going to get messy during this process, so no worries. But I'll give a tip, do not wear gloves. Otherwise, like nothing will be gone good. Everything will be destroyed. Because like gloves has a lot of hair and it is not the ideal of your like touch. And it will be really weird. आप सही से नहीं लगाता होगा, मतलब इसे पकड़ा भी सही नहीं आता होगा उसे. ऐसे करके ऐसे टिप दूँ. आपके हाथों पे ग्लू लग जाए तो इतना बड़ा मसला नहीं है. कुछ लोगों को लगता है पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, इतना कुछ भी नहीं होता. Lightly this and over. Now press my hand against it and like this. मैंने अब तक एजेस ट्रिम नहीं किए हैं, तो मैं सब पे जिंदगी का कोट लगा दूँगी. मैंने अब तक एजेस ट्रिम नहीं किए हैं, तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ ज़रा एजेस ट्रिम कैसा है. तो सबसे पहले ग्लू बंद करके इसका सूखना जाए. तो हमारा कार्ड तैयार हो चुका है. एंड अभी तैयार नहीं हुआ, सॉरी, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. फिर धागे वगैरह में छोटे छोटे ट्रिम कर दूँगी. आई एम ट्रिमिंग इट वेरी लाइटली. इतना मतलब जोर के नहीं करना. तो मैं इसको उठा के ऐसे करूँगी. ऐसे मैं ट्रिम कर रहा हूँ और यहाँ से भी मैं ट्रिम कर लेती हूँ ऐसे. मुझे इतना कुछ खास ट्रिम नहीं करना है, हल्के से मतलब थ्रेड. You can see that this green one थोड़ा सा ख़राब हो गया, but no problem. मैंने उसके ऊपर ग्लू स्टिक लगा दिया, आइडियल. So you can see like this. I haven't wrote anything inside the cards because you can write anything you want. You can see this is how the card looks, and I'm gonna be writing Eid Mubarak off camera. You can see that मैंने Eid Mubarak off camera लिखा हुआ है red color से. This is how the card looks. This is the final touch. And now we're gonna move on to the last card. And the last card is pretty similar to the first card. And the ideal material for the, and you can even it is pretty similar to this type of material. And what you need to do is cut out this window type thing using a template, and you can cut anything. Use glitter sheet, use foam sheet, use anything you like. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to glue it using the glue, my trustworthy glue stick. And I've glued it on, and it looks like this. Now I'm going to be add these stickers, and I'm going to be cutting a moon. So guys, you can see I have made this card, and it is pretty similar to this one, except I used a foam sheet, and I'm done with it. And this is the final product. These are my final cards, and these are how these looks. And you may see that and then there is this one. Comment down below that which one did you like the most. This one, this one, this one, or this one. I think personally I like this one the most. So if you like my cards, comment down below which one you like the most, and like to my channel if you like my video. Subscribe and press the bell icon. So I'm gonna catch you in the next video. So bye bye.